Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I'm gonna film an empties video, and I switched it up to this bag, and it says mom because this was a gift when I went to Sephora, Spain last year, and it was the Mother's Day weekend, and they were giving out these bags, and these are reusable bags. And I used to have a Makeup Forever bag, but it started to get ruined, so I decided that I could use this one and I can put it in the wash, and that's gonna be even better for me. So since this bag is full, I wanted this to be like a January empties, and I'm gonna put a goal for these empties this year, and it's gonna be, I think, the same goal that I had last year, and hopefully I can even surpass that, since I'm gonna be again in a low buy, no buy, just a restricted low buy situation because of my budget, not because I don't like adding stuff to my collection. That's always something that I tell you guys. I don't feel overwhelmed by the amount of things that I have. I just don't like wasting stuff, but at the same time I enjoy most of the things that I have. A few things I could declutter, but I don't like decluttering stuff, but I mostly want to enjoy what I have. That means that I'm living up to my project, loving my stuff, loving my things, but also I love trying new things. So always keep in mind that even though I want to finish my things and use my things up and just use them in general, I don't feel the need to just get rid of stuff. It's just not my mindset. So I'm gonna try and reach that goal this year by using up and loving my stuff. And at the same time, one of the consequences of that is that I'm gonna spend less money. So without further ado, if you wanna see my empties and how much money I finished this month or last month worth of products, then just... Okay, so the first one is an empties from my makeup artistry kit, and this is the Prairie Spirit, and I finished it right on time because I have a little bottle filled with it, a bottle that I take with me that's, oh, like this one. That's all I have left of it. You can see it right there. It's nothing much. And then I'm gonna travel now, so I will be bringing a new bottle of this, or the Cinema Secrets one, because I need this for my makeup artistry kit. More than for myself, I need it for my makeup artistry kit. I use it all the time in between clients when I need to spot clean my brushes. Then I'm gonna show you more things from my makeup artistry kit that I finished. I finished 4 Kiss Lashes sets, and that's also right on time because I have about 60 pair of lashes left, and that's nothing. And here lashes end up being way more expensive than there, and the quality is not the same. I love Kiss Lashes, and I can always, if I find them half the price in TJ Maxx or stuff like that, I will grab a lot of them. I always buy about $100 worth of Kiss Lashes when I go, and they will last me for about 6 months, and then I will replenish them. So I finished a set of the 01s, 1 set of Pompadours, then 1 set of Chignon, and 1 set of Page Boy. So I finished 4 of them. I know I will keep finishing them up, and my clients love them. They say they're weightless. So if you're looking for lashes for your kit that are beautiful, come in different styles, that are affordable, these are better than the Ardell ones in my opinion. They're sort of like the Demi Wispies and the Wispies, which are the best Ardell lashes in my opinion, but they come in a lot of different styles, so I would highly recommend them. Okay, so far this year I finished 2 bags of cotton rounds. You guys, I have about 3 left, but I think I'm also gonna replenish them now that I'm traveling to the US, because now I'm using them less on myself than I used to do, but I use them on my clients. I keep using them on my clients. I don't know, I don't feel comfortable using my reusable cotton rounds on my clients, but let's see how everything goes. These are basically the ones that I use the most, and I find them to be affordable. I was thinking about getting ones from Miniso, the Japanese store. They're affordable, but I don't know how they're gonna perform, so I will grab a few just in case, and then I will keep repurchasing the Miniso ones if they're better, because they end up being even more affordable. But these are really nice. These are the 4 Pro ones, and I get them on Amazon. This is the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. So now I'm only down to 1 moisturizer, and it's already half gone. I'm not gonna buy another moisturizer now that I'm going to the US, because I wanna just wait. I wanna wait, and I wanna see if I can use just my husband's lotion, which is a It's a lotion from here that's from Al Costo. It's just a store here that sells everything, sort of like Costco. I don't know if Costco has its own brand, but Al Costa does. And my husband has an oatmeal body lotion, and it's just nice. And I don't love wearing body lotion. And I have a body oil, a vanilla and almond oil body oil. So I prefer to use that before going to bed than putting on lotion after I shower. It just makes me feel icky. So yeah, this was one in the shower. I liked it. I wouldn't repurchase. I enjoyed it while I had it, and it was a gift from my cousin. So yeah, it was nice while it lasted, but it's just not something that I love. This, on the other hand, I loved it, and it was also a gift from my cousin. This is the Skintimate Skin Therapy Moisturizing. This is a shaving gel, and I really like this. And my husband was the one who finished it up because he would use it a ton just to shave his legs and stuff. But I really like this. I'm not gonna repurchase this because I use regular soap to shave, so it's not like I need it in my life, but it was nice while I had it. It's not a necessity for me though. This is the healthy deodorant, and I had to purchase a deodorant that I don't like. And one of the things that I want to get now is a natural deodorant. Here in Colombia, you can't find a natural deodorant, and that's what I'm using right now, but it's recently, and sometimes I don't even wear it. If I'm gonna be in my house and I'm not gonna go out anywhere, I will not wear deodorant if I can help it, because it's just not something that I want to put in my body. And I didn't want to pay for shipping. Shipping, it's expensive when I need something to get here to Colombia. So I forgot about it because I knew that I was gonna travel. So now I'll take that deodorant with me. I will finish it up eventually, but I will get a natural deodorant for sure. I don't know if you guys have any suggestions, leave them below, because I need something that's affordable but that's nice, and that I can buy 2 or 3 of them and just keep them here and use them throughout the year. This was nice, but like I said before, I showed you empties of this one before. These made my husband burned right here. It was good for me. This is the healthy deodorant. So if you like it, it's really good. This was a limited edition scent, but it didn't work for him. The tea tree water by Lush is something that I'm gonna miss, but I'm not gonna repurchase right now because I have a toner that I'm working on. This I will buy eventually. But I have the beauty water that I'm working on in a project pan, and I truly love that. It's just that the tea tree water, it's my favorite toner of all time. So I just wanna wait and have one at a time. And if I finish it and I want it, I will send it to my aunts and ask them to send it to me. But I'm not in any hurry. Then I have here the Macadamia Natural Oil Hair Mask. And I finished this today actually. And it's great timing again because I have conditioners, but I've been trying to use conditioners for the past 2 weeks just to not finish this and see if I could just use conditioner and then just hold myself back from wasting product in a hair mask. But I need a hair mask. If not, my hair will start to be messed up and dry and hard to work with. So I don't know yet. If I can find these, I always look for it at TJ Maxx, and I will buy 2 or 3 at a time, and they will last me a year or even more than that. But I always finish this product. So I don't know if I will find this, but I will look for one at a place with a discount because I truly adore it. I was thinking about getting one from Briogeo, but that's expensive and I can find this on sale. So I prefer to get this one that I know and love. For foundations, I have 3, 1 mini and then 2 full sizes. These I finished recently and it had only the tiniest amount left, and I finished it myself because this is a perfect shade for me. This is the Desert Beige, the 2-in-1 Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This was from my kit, but when it already had too little, I finished it on myself. It lasted about a week for me, with me scraping it. I love these. I'm not gonna get any foundations for my kids. I think I have to make sure tonight that I don't need any shades. But I love the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and at some point this year I will have to purchase a few shades of foundations for my makeup artistry kit. Ones that are lighter, like in the shade 2 something, because I'm running low on the lighter shades on the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And on the other hand, I need to buy a few darker shades for my Too Faced foundation because I'm running low on those as well. But I need to finish 2 shades that I almost never use and keep mixing them until I can find or buy the shades that I want. Then this one, you already saw it in my project pan. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation. If you want to see what my thoughts are on this one, then you can go and check that project out. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in 102. Last year I finished the other Pro Matte, and this year I finished this one, and I'm really happy that it's done and gone. This was part of a project pan at some point, and then I just finished it by mixing it with other colors. This is a nice foundation. It's comparable to the Estee Lauder Double Wear, but in the drugstore. It's a little bit less amazing than this one, but it's really amazing for the price. These products you already saw in my Project Pan update. This is the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. Amazing, I would repurchase. This is the Makeup Forever Full Cover. This was my concealer all of last year. I wouldn't repurchase, but I'm thankful that I had it last year. I'm gonna put it aside to give it to my sister-in-law so that she can enjoy it and cut it and finish it up completely. What else? I have here a couple of sponges that every time I use them, they start to leave black dots on my skin, and I hate that with passion. I can actually go ahead and the one that I use today do the same thing as well. So these 3 are gone, sponges that are gone. This one is wet because I used it today, but it was a hassle doing my makeup with it because it just leaves black stuff all over my face. So these 3 are gone, and this year maybe I will have to buy some sponges for my kids. I'm not sure yet, but it's not gonna be on this trip. So those 3 are Beauty Junkie sponge, and I truly enjoy them, and they last a long while. Mask of Magnamiti. These I wouldn't repurchase because I didn't enjoy it on this trip. I'm gonna take a few of the cases that I have from Lush, and I'm gonna get a Lush face mask for free, because if you return the products to Lush, then they will give you a face mask. So I will actually take these 2 products, and I'm gonna see if I can just get a refill of that. But I'm not gonna get any other product from Lush. Maybe the Rehab shampoo, I'm thinking about it, but I don't think I actually will. This is another product that I finished, and this is the LZ Professional Makeup. This is a black liner, and I'm happy that I part with this because I prefer my roller liner from Benefit, and this is a Colombian brand, but it's just not something that I would recommend. It dries out, it's not as black, it's just a blah product. Then this is the Caudalie Bean Perfect Serum. I love this. I would highly recommend it. It's in a project pan. I talked more about it on that project pan, but that's the serum that I would like to repurchase as a daytime serum or as a nighttime serum. I'm in love with it. It's so nice, and the scent is beautiful. The Urban Decay Primer Potion, I'm happy that I finished one. I have plenty of eye primers to use up, but I don't love eye primers. I don't think they're necessary, so I wouldn't repurchase or recommend. If you can, unless you have really oily eyelids, and even then I would recommend the NARS one instead of this one. If you have really oily eyelids, then buy one, but I find even with my clients that just a concealer is enough to prime your eyes. I have here this Tarte's liquid lipstick, and this is done and gone. It's just something, it was a gift from Sephora, and it's just finished, as well as this one. This was in a project pan. This is the Anastasia Rio liquid lip, and it's beautiful, and I finished it completely, and I would repurchase this for my makeup artistry kit. My kit finished it. It wasn't me. I used it a couple of times, but it was my kit, the one who finished it. And it's just an amazing liquid lipstick. If you can find it, if you can buy it, if you like bright colors, that's beautiful on the lips. Was lucky enough to receive this as a Sephora gift with purchase or as a point perk. This is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, and the shade 3N1 Sand is the perfect shade for me, and I love these. I love this. It gets oily on me, but I still love the finish of it. I love how it basically covers what needs to be covered without over covering your face. Then I found two of these, and my husband used one and I used the other one. These are the nose strips from Biore. So I'm not gonna repurchase these, but these were my favorite for years, just to remove blackheads and stuff from your face, from your nose. And then last but not least, I have here the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty, and this was used on my makeup artistry kit until it was gone. My kit doesn't need another moisturizer because I have a First Aid Beauty one that's huge and it will last me way over a year. So I truly don't need another moisturizer, but this one was really good while it lasted and I enjoyed it, and it works for every single type of skin type. And that's it, my bag is empty. I told you guys on my project pan videos that I wasn't gonna do the count of money of products I finished in those project pans. I was gonna just put them in my bag and talk about them again and just do the math only in my empties video, because last year was a hassle for me to figure out where I had empties or where I had to count the money or whatever. So I'm gonna put my empties, even empties for my project pans, again on these empties videos so that you guys can see them and have the math and do it with me every step of the way. Before we go, this is the amount that I finished on today's video, and now this is the amount that I'm short of for my $4,000 worth of beauty products this year. And that's it, you guys. For the emoji today, let's just put something that says mask. For the macadamia natural oil deep repair hair mask, so just something that says mask to you as an emoji today if you watch the entire video. And that's it, you guys. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.